Most people never noticed the moment money stopped being something you could hold. It didn't happen with a single law or announcement, but through quiet changes that slowly reshaped how value moves. Digital money began as a convenience, replacing heavy coins and paper bills with numbers on screens, promising speed and efficiency. Over time, those numbers became more powerful than cash itself. Salaries, savings, and entire economies shifted into systems that exist only as data. Banks, governments, and markets gained the ability to move money instantly, track it endlessly, and reshape it with policy rather than metal or paper. Convenience turned into dependence, and dependence into control. Today, most money never physically exists, yet it decides who can buy, sell, borrow, or survive. Digital money didn't conquer the world with force. It slipped in quietly until the financial system could no longer function without it, redefining power, trust, and freedom in the modern age.